Just here to show you my my new adult tag I got not too long ago. It's a Call of Duty Black Ops 2, and yes, it is my dog tag. You can tell. Yeah, under this stupid algebra book. Anyway, yeah. So, but yeah, this is it. It's pretty cool. Got it from eBay. Not too much. It's pretty good thing. Alright, and that's it. So, but here's just a random thing I'm gonna do. 1, 1, 3, 4. Yeah, there you go. Here you go. Or I'll just make it better. There you go. That's nicer. Okay. Instead of that randomness, goodbye.